Hello everyone! 2 years in a row, Baku is hosting an amazing carpet festival. And in this video, I'm going to share the mix of the footage from the 2 years of the festival in order to encourage you to visit Baku in early May next year. Hopefully the festival will return next year, I'll keep you updated on that. Definitely watch until the end to see magnificent dance and choir performances. I almost cried there. Have a nice watching. Traditional art of Azerbaijani carpet weaving was added to UNESCO's list of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity in 2010. This kind of fine art was practiced here before Christ and became one of the most essential symbols of our culture. Different regions have their own patterns and techniques in carpet weaving. In brief, here is how it's done. First, the wool is sheared from sheep, typically in spring when the fleece is at its peak. The wool is sorted to remove impurities such as dirt or grease, and only the best quality wool is selected for carpet making. Then it is washed to remove grease and dirt, and after cleaning, the wool is carded, where it is disentangled and aligned into soft strands. This makes the wool easier to spin into yarn. The wool fibers are spun into yarn using traditional spinning wheels or industrial machines. Then it's dyed using natural or synthetic dyes. Natural dyes are often derived from plants, roots, or insects, while synthetic dyes offer a broader color range. So this color was produced from Qanun. These ones from some plant that I cannot translate to English. This one from eucalyptus. It has grayish color, and it's really interesting that eucalyptus gives such color. And this one is the most recent one. It was produced from the combination of Qanun and some metals like nails. Really fascinating. The warp threads, which form the foundation of the carpet, are set up on a loom. These threads are tightly stretched to ensure the carpet's stability and shape. And the weaving starts. It was really hard for me to repeat after the master. What a delicate work these women are doing. The carpet is trimmed to ensure the pile height is even and the design is clear. After the carpet is completed, redundant thread pieces are burnt, and finally the carpet is washed and dried. I have never seen the old city this crowded. Today is a unique day due to the Festival of Carpets in Baku. The entrance to the Palace of Shirmashars is free of charge. And most importantly, a Mugham performance will be organized. The stage is already set up.
Cihangir Evan'dan korun festivalında rengarenk musiki çelebi festival istedik.
Tutsun her yanı bir sevgi, her bir insanı.
I don't know how much storage is left on my phone because I recorded almost all the performances in their entirety, but I cannot avoid sharing my emotions. I felt so proud of being part of this culture today, being one of the bearers of this culture. I don't know, at the moment when the boys started dancing, I felt like crying. I almost cried. I just struggled to stop my tears, literally. This was just too great. I thought that when I will move abroad, I will miss this so much. I want to see more of this every day. These dances, Mugham and everything. The place where it was held, the singers were all incredibly perfect. Listening to choir live when they're so close to you, I can never experience anything like this in the future, I think. So I'm enormously happy I had such a chance. Another interesting fact that I want to say here is that the weather today was very moody, I can say. Throughout the performance, there was not a bit of wind. But as soon as they finished singing, the wind rose and we were shocked, as if the weather was waiting for them. I think God respected their efforts, the efforts of the choir, the musicians, and wanted their performance to be ideal.